Welcome everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Google Play Store country. Just you have to watch and follow this video till the end. How to change region on Play Store. First we have to know something. Open your Play Store and go click here on your profile in the top of the screen. Here guys. Then move to settings, and in settings click on general and click on here account and device preferences. So you will see here that let me show you. You should change your play country only when you move to new countries. So there is no way to change it from here, from settings. So what is the solution? You have to close these windows and download one of VPN that is available and open that VPN. So once you open that VPN, you have to go and change the location of your VPN. So for me, I would change it to United States, for example, to Miami. I will just click on it. I will skip this ad and it's connecting right now. So what I have to do right now, I will just back and close this window and I will move to my settings of our device. And then I will go and click on apps option. And here I will search for Google Play Store. Once I found it, click on Google Play Store like this. When you will click on it, you will find this list. You have to go to storage. Click right now clear cache and back. Click on force stop and click OK. When you do that guys, you have to back right now and go and open your Play Store like this. And right now guys, it's changing region. As you can see, my Play Store is not my Play Store when I was using my location. If I come here, I will find here trending application and books and many features that is available in just United States region in Google Play Store. So guys, I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and also subscribe. See you next video.